Tired of staring at the locked Brawl Pass, wishing you could unlock all those sweet rewards without breaking the bank? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to snag that Brawl Pass using a vanilla Visa gift card. First, scratch off the back of your vanilla Visa to reveal the full card number, expiration date, and security code. This is crucial. Next, open the Google Play Store app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Payments and Subscriptions and then Payment Methods. Here, you'll see the option to add credit or debit card. Tap on it. Now, carefully enter the vanilla Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code you scratched off earlier. Make sure the billing address matches the address you used when you purchased the card, or use your current address and ensure there's enough funds to cover any small verification charges. Once your vanilla Visa is added to your Google Play account, head back to Brawl Stars. Tap on the Brawl Pass icon. Select the option to purchase the Brawl Pass. Your Google Play balance, now funded by your vanilla Visa, should appear as a payment option. Choose it. Confirm the purchase, and boom, you've successfully unlocked the Brawl Pass using your vanilla Visa gift card. Now go dominate the arena with all your new rewards.